This is turning into quite the uncomfortable position.
Let's put the old one back for now then. Good morning, peoples.
Guten Morgen. Today we will be replacing the heater core and gasket from the gas tank and the coolant reservoir.
Yeah, because that aftermarket one is already as yellow as my piss on a Sunday morning. First thing now, let's get rid of the coolant again. Right, with the coolant drained, let's replace the reservoir. And in case you need to know, there is the part number.
That one on the chest, yes, the flexible.
Flexible! Right.
Oh, yo.
Go. That's the reason why we're replacing it.
A year and a half old.
Right, let's get that sensor in there again. Let's try that again. Jesus, it just needs the
Life of a mechanic.
towel. Not too tight, not too loose. Click. Now, let's get to the heater core. On each side the carpet has to be removed, and there's a plastic cover behind there that also needs to be removed on both sides. Just gonna take that cover plate off.
I just remembered when we did that the first time that the thing fell down.
Right, now carpet should come down. And then it just comes right out. Right.
Then we can see the heater core. Well, the housing.
So on this side we haven't put back that plastic cover yet, so yeah, it's pretty wet down here, so we're doing that just in time, I think. Let's cover everything up with some plastic. A catch can in between the two layers of plastic, so that hopefully everything flows in the plastic in the catch can. Yeah, that will be a dream come true. So there's a T25 in the all plastic holder thing with the lines are connected right there, that black one. T25 holds that together, so you gotta undo that as well.
And now if we pull on the pipes, it should start to leak.
Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, coolant is coming out, good news. Alright, let's try and get that heater core out of there. Okay. Right, and there it is. Did we do that? We're removing it? If so, then we'll have to watch out with putting in the new one. Right, seems to be somewhat the same. Yeah, let's get it out of the housing. So, is that one leaking?
Well, there definitely.
And definitely at the seal, that's what we saw.
Yeah.
Right, new insulation strip. So yeah, that should fit. Nice and tight. Does that fit as well? It does.
Of course.
Right, let's bolt it down. We'll also be replacing the connector in the firewall, which is that part number. Let's first try and remove the two hoses and then hopefully just get that connector out. There's two screws in there as well, but yeah, let's see. Well, that wasn't too bad. Well, so far so good.
Bottom. No.
Oh no. Is that gonna be our problem today?
I hope not. I think we're gonna use a new one though.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. No.
Okay, yeah. Let's see how we can fix this. Okay, we're gonna try and push it out and then I hope to be able to get to the screw and then, yeah. Yeah, it's turning. Getting there. Yep, got it. Right, so in order to get that connection out, you have to remove the throttle partially. Yeah, that should come right out, and then the throttle should come out of the way enough. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's two screws. Let's remove that one and then it's coming out.
Okay. Alright, that's that out of the way. Let me take a look on the other side. Right, that's it. Got him. Now, let's replace some of the rubbers and put everything back together. This part came with all new seals right in there.
Finger.
Right, that's that. Let's get the bracket back.
Duck. Quack.
Right, time to put the heater core back into the car. Hopefully without damaging it.
That's gonna be the challenge.
Ooh, oh, I don't like this. Does it really have to go in like this? I do not like it. Oh, yeah.
Let's push this down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
You were acting like Jim. Hold it. I screw the hose.
Yeah, I am holding it in the place. But my arm is falling asleep. This is turning into quite the uncomfortable position.
I can imagine. On the people living life in peace.
Right? Can I turn in the small screw? Okay, I do not have any screws.
Wait, here's the T25.
Yeah, under desk jobs are like, you cannot really get any position to feel right. Yeah, finally I'm in. Now the small screw. Right, that's that side done. Right, that's everything reinstalled. And before we're gonna fill her up, we're gonna test the system for any leaks with a vacuum tester.
Now it should hold a vacuum if
Okay.
everything's tight.
Well, let's watch that meter for about 5 minutes. Right, vacuum is all good. We're gonna fill her up. And we're gonna do that under vacuum. So one hose goes into the can, open the other side, and that should. Look at that reservoir. Oh, so nice. Let's get that last bit in there. And stop. You're at max. No, you're not. No, it's sinking. Sinking. It's all filled up. Gonna start her up. Let's see if there's a leak anywhere. Here we go. Oh, okay. Looking promising. Yes. Let's close everything up. Alright, with that heater core fixed, let's get to that rubber from the fuel pump, because we're only able to, well, fill her up for about 50 liters of gasoline, and that is not enough.
Hey, this also seems dry.
Oh yeah, our frick seems to be working. The well, whatever we did here, clean it up and put some new sealant on there. No more water inside. Well, glad we fixed that.
Hey, ho, let's go. Diddle-diddle-dee.
Right, let's try and get into that hole. Whoa. So yeah, I guess we need to remove a few hoses.
That hose, and the connectors.
And then, well, the rubber that's underneath the ring, that's the one we're gonna replace.
Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Can you give me the stabbing key 7?
That's a good translation.
Flexible 7.
Okay, well, guess we're gonna see what's gonna happen. We're gonna have a fountain of gasoline.
Well, here goes nothing. Oh, that's anticlimactic.
Oh, that was it. Wow.
Come on, man. No, the terrible part.
Yeah, get that ring off. As always, let's just dig in and we'll see what happens.
Right, get the shovel. Oh no.
The thing is really damaged already, so someone... Oh,
We
it
got
moved.
movement.
Right, good.
Whoa. Like half a centimeter was enough.
Right. That's that. So in order to replace the rubber seal, that one right on top of the pump, which is again this part number if you need it. Yeah, you have to take the fuel pump out and then simply replace that seal. Maybe we should have replaced the pump now that we got it out.
Why, it's working.
That's true. So maybe the old rubber is not bad, but yeah, here it is. It was not seated properly. So yeah, let's replace that with the new one, and then hopefully the gasoline smell will be gone. Right, let's put it all back together. So this is pretty lame. This one doesn't seem to fit. We've been turning and turning, but it just pops off. So let's measure the new one with the old one, if there's a difference in diameter or something, because it is the right part number though. That is
88.1.
88.1. Okay, this is the new one.
It doesn't fit.
What is this then?
85.
It's 2.5 millimeters difference. It's smaller, yeah. So that makes sense why it's popping off. But why is that? It's the same part number though, and it's a Volvo part. It's stupid. Let's put the old one back for now then. Yeah, well, that is a disappointment, but we're gonna have to put the old one back for now. At least the rubber is replaced. That's the most important part. Alright, let's check quickly if it leaks.
It's good.
Right. No leaks.
Nope.
So we'll let you know next time if anything started leaking or if everything is still okay. Yeah, that's pretty much all we can do today. So thanks for watching and see you the next time.
Goodbye.